I'm Alice Zaslewski.
And I'm Khan Ong, and we are so excited to be here with Australian Eggs and Too Good Co to help out in the kitchen in celebration of World Egg Day.
Too Good is a business that supports, encourages, employs women who have experienced true hardship, especially through nourishing food.
Today we're in the Too Good kitchen in Sydney and we'll be cooking 200 meals, Asian-inspired smoked salmon frittata and a chocolate slab cake. Let's cook.
The work that Too Good are doing in the community is absolutely amazing, and Australian Eggs is really proud to support their program this World Egg Day, both in terms of raising awareness for community need, but also the tangible benefit of supplying a year's supply of eggs, which is over 30,000 eggs.
As a cook, eggs mean versatility for every meal of the day. That's not even mentioning all of the important health benefits. You know that eggs are full of protein, but choline is something that eggs are also high in, which is so important for brain health at all stages of life. It's so great to see 200 meals go out into the community today after our cook-up, and just a fraction of the eggs donated by Australian Eggs put to use.
So crack an egg for good and cook with purpose this World Egg Day, whether it's for your friends, your family, your community, or those in need. Happy World Egg Day!